we are going to use all the tools that Jestor has to offer and zero code. So the idea here is for you that work in a marketing agency, or maybe you are the responsible for a building process for your company, and so on. So we are going to have this main dashboard with a Gantt. We are also going to show you how and why these tables are connected. And we are going to just basically make this available for you guys as well later, so you can test it, see how we build it. You can change it, and then you can make it as as in a way that's the best way for your company, and not just the way that we think it's the best for your process. So here we are here to also answer any kind of questions that you have. So Fernando, show us around, and also if you have any other comments about the template and the problems that we are solving here with this specific tool.
Cool. So the idea behind this template is quite simple. So the idea here is to be able to track multiple campaigns and track them across platforms. So one thing that's a very recurring problem that we see with a lot of clients, we see with a lot of agencies that come talk to us, is that it's not very easy in other tools for you to plan a single campaign. So let's say you doing an Easter campaign or a Christmas campaign or something like that. And for you to have all of the data in a single platform in a way that's easy to compare all of the campaigns.